Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add weight training to Strava. So what I want to do is to go into Strava right here, this app that you can get from the App Store or Play Store. It depends on which device or which system you have, even iOS or Android. So it's on the both on App Store and Play Store. Alright, so let's get into the app. Once you tap on it, you will be directly forwarded into the home page. What I want to do is to go into you right here in the bottom right corner or the lower right corner. Alright, so after that I want to just straight over into the top right corner and tap on the gear icon right there. Alright, and here as you can see we have the connect app or device. I just want to tap on it. And okay, if you have a device that can measure weight, just select it. And if it's not one of these brands, you just need to go into see more devices, or I have a different device right here. So just by tapping on it, you will look for the device you have, and yeah, you will select the device that's you have. Anyways, there is another option. You can go into the home page in the bottom left corner, and I want just to go into this plus button right here, and then manual activity. Okay, so right here you can enter the title, the title right here, and right here I just want you to type your weight, and I want you to finish the blanks right here, and then you can go into save. And yeah, after you complete the process or the sports or the duration that you set right there, you will see the difference, and yeah, you will see the progress by comparing your weights before and now. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.